I'm Dr. Venkatram Mysore. I'm the director of Venkat Charmalya, now called Venkat Center for Skin and Plastic Surgery. I'm basically a Mysorean, having got educated in Mysore for my MBBS and MD. Then I served in the Indian Armed Forces for 5 years. And then I left abroad to work in different countries and to also get further education in different countries. I got educated in the Royal College of Pathologists, London, in different places, and returned to India in 2003. I also learned hair transplant surgery in South Korea and in America. Our center, which is now 15 years old, has grown to be one of the important training centers in India, patient care centers in India, in dermatology. It is accredited by Rajiv Gandhi University, and it provides training every year to scores of young dermatologists from across India and around the world. We also have several patient communications in terms of books, documentaries, short films, etc. And we also have what is called Shraddha Clinic. This is a clinic which is meant for poor patients, run between 8:30 to 9:30 every day. Any poor patient can come without asking any proof of income. We will treat them at a very, very low fee. This is our service to the community, to poor patients who cannot afford quality skin care. Not only we see them for consultation, but also we do procedures at a very discounted rate to this. And we hope that through them we will serve the humanity, and it helps a large number of people. Over 15 to 16,000 people have been treated in this way. We also have different branches, one in Banashankari and one in Cunningham Road. We have total of 7 doctors, we have 4 dermatologists, 1 liposuction surgeon and feminine gynecologist, cosmetic gynecologist, Dr. Jayashri, and plastic surgeon, Dr. Aniket Venkatram. We have a total of 35 staff, nurses, front office staff and managers who serve the patients. And we strive to keep the rates reasonable and to help patients at all times. Our motto is, healthy skin is beautiful skin, and we deliver this through experience, efficacy and ethics. Thank you. I am now speaking as the president of DASIL. DASIL is an international organization, global organization. DASIL means Dermatologic Aesthetic Surgeons International League. It is meant for dermatologic aesthetic surgery, means skin surgery with respect to cosmetic appearance. It is an association meant for educating, teaching and enhancing the level of performance of these procedures, and is present in several countries across the globe. I have previously served as the president-elect and treasurer of this association, and in Buenos Aires last month in 2018, I was elected the president. The election is held every year, and senior dermatologists with academic achievements, qualifications are elected for this position. I have been previously a fellow of Royal College of Physicians, Glasgow, diplomate of Royal College of Pathologists, London, mentor of American Society of Dermatosurgery, fellow of International Society for Hair Restoration Surgery, fellow of Asian Academy of Dermatovenerology. So with all this, there were enough credentials for them to select me, and I am very happy and proud that I am the first Indian dermatologist to be elected for this position, and also being a Mysorean, being settled in Bangalore from Karnataka, I am extremely happy to have received this honor. This association, as I said, has 3 or 4 objectives. Objective number 1, to educate its members, to enhance their awareness and knowledge through conferences, workshops, journals and textbooks. Second, to create awareness amongst the community in the society about various dermatologic procedures. Third is to enhance safety of procedures by drafting guidelines, standard guidelines, so that these best practices are followed while performing these procedures across the globe. How can it help our doctors in India, doctors in Bangalore and Karnataka? DASIL has a program called DASIL ASDS International Training and Mentorship Program. This is a program meant both for trainees and trainers. Very senior doctors can apply to this and they can be appointed trainers to educate young doctors. Likewise, trainees can apply to work and learn from seniors across the globe. So doctors from Karnataka and India can apply, and based on their CV, based on their previous educational achievements, they will be selected and then they can get trained beneath very senior dermatologists in the world. So that way this is a great opportunity, and it should be my endeavor to help our doctors to get access to such training. Next conference of DASIL, what is called DASIL's World Congress of Dermatosurgery, will be in Goa, October, November 2019. We will be organizing that, and that also provides a very important opportunity for our doctors to learn from masters. The theme of the conference is Masters Teaching to Masters. So one can learn from masters and then become masters in their own right. That is the objective. Dermatosurgery is a young field. There are not enough specialists in this field. So when they get opportunities, young doctors can learn. And there are not enough training institutes also. In fact, our training institute in Bangalore, Venkat Charamalya, now called Venkat Center for Skin and Plastic Surgery, is one of the few institutes to be accredited by Rajiv Gandhi University, and we train 4 fellows every year. In addition, we train doctors sent from different associations such as Indian Association of Dermatologists, Venereologists and Leprologists, Association of Cutaneous Surgeons of India, etc. So the main objective is to train doctors so they can serve the society better. Thank you.